guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you this makeup look right here. Yes, this makeup look is for my Diwali and you can wear this makeup look for any occasion or any festivals. So yeah, all the makeup products which I am going to use in this video, the names and links of those makeup products will be mentioned in the description box below. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump into the video. So first I am going to moisturize my face and I am taking this Color Bar Cellular Dry Oil. Now this one is a best face serum for dry skin people, you guys. Now I am taking this Maybelline Dewy+Smooth primer. I am applying this product all over my face. Next I am taking this Elegant Pro Coverage Concealer to conceal my under eyes. Next I am going to use L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Now this is a festive look, guys. So first I am going to start with my eye makeup. So I am using concealer first. Now before my concealer start creasing, I am going to set it with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Now for eyeshadow, I am taking this eyeshadow palette from Pigment Play. It's recently launched in Nykaa. As you can see, it comes with this packaging. Now it's a beautiful palette with some corals, greens, blues and shimmery shades. Now I am taking this nude color first and I am going to apply it all over my eyelid. Then I am taking the black color to give my eyes a little bit of smoky effect. Then I am taking the blue color from the same eyeshadow palette and I am applying it on the center of my eyelids and little bit of smudging it and also blending it well with this black eyeshadow that I have applied before. Here I am using another eyeshadow palette. Now this one is from Colorboard and I am taking the blue shimmery shade. I am just going to apply it on the center of my eyelids. I am just going to finish up my another eye and I will be right back to you guys. Alright guys, now my eyes are done. Now moving on to the next product, I am going to use this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Coverage Foundation. And I am taking this MAC Illuminating Strobe Cream in the shade of Pink Light. and I am going to mix these two. Now I am setting my face with the same Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. I am going to contour my face. I am using this Benefit Hoola bronzer. It's time for some blush, and I am taking this Miss Claire blusher palette, and I am taking this color from this palette. Alright, now I am going to define my brows, and I am taking this Benefit brow pencil. I am going to set my brows, and I am taking this e.l.f. brow setting gel. I am taking this MAC Fix Plus spray to fix my makeup. Now I am going to use mascara, and I am taking this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. And yeah, for the final touch, I am going to use this lipstick. This one is from K Beauty Lip Crayon. This is a beautiful fuchsia pink shade. Now I am going to highlight my face, and I am taking this highlighter from Wet n Wild. And yeah, this is the final makeup look, you guys. Now I really hope you loved watching this video. If you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and wish you guys a very happy and safe Diwali. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.